Hey, how's it going? It's Explorer Slav, and this is Boca Grande. But before I show you this beautiful place, you're probably wondering where, what, and how do you get to Boca Grande? Get ready because there's a lot of information. Boca Grande is an island located on southwest Florida. This island has 1,000 residents, and to get here you had to pay via bridge toll. Now you know what Boca Grande is, now let's go explore it. Getting to the island is not the only thing you have to pay for, you also have to pay for parking. But if you don't want to pay for parking, just come here on a bicycle and you don't need to pay anything. This lighthouse was built December 31, 1890, so it's been here for a while and survived many hurricanes, including Hurricane Charlie in 2004. You know what I really love about Boca Grande is that they made a sidewalk through a nature walk, you know, because Florida has snakes and everything. You don't want to be walking through the forest, you know what I mean? We have made it to our destination. Wow, this thing looks awesome, honestly. Built in 1890, like, good job on architecture back then, you know what I mean? The thing I wish they did, it was left it open so you could see how it looks inside, but sadly, it is not open. I mean, if you're ever gonna be in Boca Grande, this is one thing you had to check out for sure. The interesting fact about Boca Grande is that they have no gas stations. They have only one gas pump, which is in the Marina Bay somewhere. I honestly don't know where it is. And that's why you'll see most of the residents living on this island drive golf carts because you can save money on gas. Because there's so many people living on this island and they own a golf cart, they made a special road just for golf carts. Pretty interesting, right? If you just sit on this bench right here and you look at the road, in 10 minutes you're gonna see probably like 7 golf carts. Honestly, there's so many of them here. You can see all those people not even like sweating driving those things. Where can I rent one? I don't know if you can hear it, but there's another drone flyer over here. Turns out I'm not the only drone flyer today. Very cool in Boca Grande. There's a nature trail. I mean, this is like the Instagram worthy place over here. I really hope there's no snakes over here because we're actually in Florida, so I mean, there's probably a snake over here. Snake, if you're out here, don't come out, you know? This is actually very cool. I mean, if this is like another must-see place over here, like take a look at Floridian wildlife. If somebody's into nature. If you love food, this is a place to go because look, I found some blueberries. Just kidding, don't eat those. Pretty sure they're poisonous, so don't try that, please. Tourists and people who don't know plants, honestly, they put these little signs that explains what they are and learn some cool facts. The island Boca Grande is known for 2 things: the beaches with the sugar sand, and also there's another fun fact which I'll tell you in just a minute. The natives of the island call it sugar sand beaches because the sand is honestly like sugar. It feels so nice to have a chair at the beach. There's actually many beaches at Boca Grande. I mean, it is an island after all. But the beach we were at, there was barely any people and the sand over here was very soft. The other thing Boca Grande is known for besides beaches is fishing, specifically tarpon fishing. This fish can grow up to 8 feet and can weigh up to 280 pounds. And everything on this island, each restaurant, there's a lot of sculptures of this fish. The weather in Boca Grande is always warm, and the temperature of the water is also always warm. During the summer, it can get up to 85 degrees, and during the winter, it gets as low as 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, the water in the Boca Grande beaches, it's very warm year-round. So for Floridians like me, swimming in winter is something I don't want to do. For tourists, it's the most perfect weather for swimming. There's actually this one cool fact I never knew about Florida, that there's wild cactuses. A really cool thing about this island is that they keep it really safe. You know how? That is so clever to put a camera in a tree. Good camouflage. You hear that? That's the church over here in Boca Grande. And by the way, I'm over here at I would say a downtown Boca Grande, and look at these cute little shops. And again, there's another golf cart. There's so many of them over here. After a hot day, this is perfect. It's a really cool building. It looks like it's from New York or something. There's one building in particular I want to show you, is the Boca Grande fire station. I mean, where did you ever see such a beautiful looking fire station? A cool vehicle that the fire station has is this old Hummer fire truck. In each city, I look for the most Instagram-worthy place. Let's see what Boca Grande has. The most Instagram-worthy place of Boca Grande is Banyan Street. Look how beautiful everything is growing. And as you can see, those plants make it like a tunnel. So a big like for me. As you can see, that place is a very popular place, not just for Instagram photos, but just photo shoots and wedding shots. Actually, here it is, the only gas pump in Boca Grande. Perfect gas station for Barbies, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna end the video with the lighthouse again. Love that building. At first, when I heard Boca Grande is just a little island, I'm like, what are you gonna look over there? It's just a little island, you know? And boy, was I wrong. There's actually a lot of cool things, you know? So if you're ever gonna be in Southwest Florida, Boca Grande definitely has to be on your checklist. If you love history, the beach, or just a place to vacation, Boca Grande is definitely yours. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go find a building with air conditioning. See you in the next one.